After watching this video, I was stupid. Is the sound of the universe so terrifying? After hearing this, my scalp was numb and I broke out in a cold sweat, and the first sound was the most beautiful aura from Saturn that was closest to us. Can you believe it? The dust particles in Saturn's rings are only 200 nanometers in diameter, which is smaller than a virus. Cassini, launched by NASA in 1997, brought an ultra-sensitive detector to convert these plasma waves into sound, which was weird and ethereal. It is like the universe whispering in the ear, but it is not like the sound that humans should hear. What's even more shocking is that in 2017, before Cassini completed its mission, the last recording was sent back, and plasma waves drifted from Saturn to 2A2.
The bus name.
Two weeks later, it was gone. Hearing this, do you already feel a chill in your back? But this is just an appetizer. And the next sound will be even more outrageous. The second voice comes from the only comet that has ever landed on humans, Comet 67P. In 2014, the European Space Agency's Rosetta achieved the first soft landing of a human probe on a comet. This comet orbiting the Taeyong also hides the original material of the Taeyong system when it was formed more than 4 billion years ago, and can be called a living fossil of the universe. Rosetta captured its sound with a magnetic agent plasma detector, which was completely different from other comets such as Halley's Comet. There's a rhythmic clicking sound and a continuous humming sound. The click is a signal for the solar wind to disturb the plasma density of the comet's magnetic field. The buzzing sound is the continuous vibration of the plasma. Guess what this sound looks like? It is the sensation of the saint in Stranger Things. Who would have thought that a distant comet would hide such a terrifying sound effect in a lifetime? The third sound, which is directly connected to the sense of pressure, comes from a supermassive black hole 2 to 400 million light-years away. In the center of the Cygnus galaxy cluster, there is a giant black hole in the universe. The mass is 17 billion times that of Taeyong, and the gas in its suction tray is heated to millions of Kelvin, continuously emitting powerful X-rays. 2003 years, NASAA Chandra X-ray Observatory. It was not until 2022 years that scientists converted these data into sounds. And as a result, it was discovered that the most black hole in the universe emitted a reduced key of 578 degrees lower than the central C in the piano, which is the lowest frequency sound in the universe discovered by human sound. Its sonic vibration cycle is actually as long as 10,000 million years, while the sound cycle that humans can hear is only 50 milliseconds at most, which is not an order of magnitude at all. Scientists have amplified its frequency by 1 trillion times, so that we can hear this terrifying roar. Low, hoarse, like a giant beast in the depths of the universe behind the drops. Goosebumps fell straight to the ground. What's even more amazing is that this roar also hides the secret of the evolution of galaxies. Its sound waves carry energy that affects the temperature of the gas between galaxy clusters, which in turn determines the formation of stars. To put it bluntly, a whisper from a black hole can actually turn the entire galaxy cluster into the future. This is really too exaggerated. The fourth sound is the highlight moment of anthropology, and it is also the most shocking symphony in the universe. From the collision of gravitational waves in black holes 5 billion years ago, Einstein predicted the existence of gravitational waves in 1916. He said that gravitational waves are like ripples caused by throwing stones into a pond, but when these ripples are gently stretched and contracted on the fabric of time and space. The United States LEGO, Europe VIRGO, and Japan CAGR formed a global gravitational wave observation network. These instruments do not rely on mirror heads, but on excited light. The excited light tunnel several kilometers long can capture small disturbance holes of 1/8 cubic meters in time and space. What is this concept? It is equivalent to 1/10,000th of the diameter of a proton. When gravitational waves come, and the path of the laser is stretched or contracted, signals of different frequencies will be emitted. The conversion into sound is the exclusive circumference sound of the collision of black holes. A lighter, slower collision is a long slump. The high-speed collision of a massive black hole is the sharp effect of suddenness. And what we hear is from the fusion of two black holes 5 billion years ago, when they hit a larger black hole with a gravitational wave energy equivalent to the mass of 5 solar suns. This sound, spanning 51 years, is the largest and farthest gravitational wave signal observed by mankind so far. If Einstein had lived to this day, and seen that humans had realized the impossible in his eyes, he would be shocked to drop his jaw. How about it? Do you think our understanding of the universe is too shallow? We always think that Taekong is a silent desert, but we never thought that it would always sing in its own way. Those strange, shocking, and terrifying sounds were letters written by the universe to humans. Seeing this, which is the most terrifying cosmic sound that you feel? The comment area sued me.